All right, so as we left off, we are on question number 20. All right, question number 20. Select another way to group the factors, then find the product. So you hit that drop-down menu, and you're going to have to rearrange those parentheses. All right, and you want to make sure that the way you do it, you're going to come up with the same answer. So your first step is to solve this. So in the parentheses, you got to do the parentheses first. So 8 times 3 in parentheses, then times 2. Figure out what that product is. And down here, which one of these is going to give you that same answer. All right, it's a little bit tricky, and then you also got to type in the answer. It's one of the more challenging questions we have. So take your time, solve that. Just like I said before, you have your 2 tabs open, maybe a piece of paper to help you to work out as you're going, and then press pause, solve it, type in your answer, and then we're ready for the next question. Come down home stretch. From one of the most challenging ones to probably one of the least challenging ones, 0 divided by 4 equals blank. Type in the answer, not a whole lot to worry about there, hopefully. Some rounding questions. Round 869 to the nearest 10 and 100. So 869 rounded to the nearest 10 is and 869 rounded to the nearest 100 is Use mental math to find the sum. I don't care if you use mental math. I don't care if you write it down. It makes me no difference. Just find the sum. I'd rather have you write it down and get it correct than use mental math and get it wrong. So I kind of disagree with the question here. I would say just find the sum, however you can. Whatever's easiest for you. Use addition properties and strategies to find the sum. Same difference. If you can do it mentally, do it mentally. If you can't do it mentally, write it down. It makes me no difference the strategy you choose. Like we've said a million times this year, there are many, many different paths to the correct answer. Choose what works best for you. Question number 25. Estimate and then use the break apart strategy to find the sum. So estimate 300 plus 450 is So answer 300 plus 450. Then it says use the break apart strategy. Once again, I don't care what strategy you use. Use the strategy that works best for you. But find the sum. So 291 plus 438. Most of you will just stack those up and write them down on a piece of paper. Find the answer. Question number 26. 1 times 7. Go ahead and write that answer. Press pause. And number 27. The last one that we're going to do right now is 7 times 8. Alright, so you finish up 27. You type in the correct answer. Down here, as most of you know, you're going to click Turn It In. Alright? And once you turn it in, if you want to see how well you did, you can go back to your dashboard. Alright, obviously I don't want to, I'm just going to close him out. You go back to your dashboard and click My Scores. It'll tell you how you did. It'll show up here. Obviously Omar did not complete it, so I didn't. But your test will come up here, and you can see how you did. All right. Now, once again, I'm not worried about your score. It's just giving me some information on what 4th grade needs to work a little bit extra with you on. All right. Hopefully that helped you. I'll be doing this again for part 2 of the end of the year test. All right. So I will talk to you then. Have a great day.